To make a program, you need control and information. From Sony, a system that works the way you think, enabling your control of the creative process to be effortless and intuitive. From shooting through editing to program delivery, digital power production means information at your fingertips. When you look, your brain stores images that shape your thoughts and ideas. With digital power production, the system works like you, thinking pictures. The camera gives total digital flexibility, with help from easy mode when you need it. Match frame, for perfect continuity or to line up shots exactly. The DVCAM cassette stores camera setup information. And ClipLink, a Sony innovation designed to smooth the edit process too. With ClipLink, index pictures and shot information are instantly available at the edit station. Thinking pictures. Select the shots you need by clicking on the index pictures. The DSR-85 transfers your rushes at 4 times normal speed, absorbing information effortlessly. Digitizing need not slow you down, because the ES7 can provide a multitasking environment, so you can carry on editing. Or preparing graphics, titles, animation, digital power production puts you in control. Edit Station lets you work the way you want, non-linear or linear or both, but always within a total digital environment with consistent compression throughout, a seamless environment where nothing is lost or forgotten. Digital power production gives quality and repeatability as standard. Captions, keys, wipes, mixes, 3D and 2D, all real-time. Real-time convenience extends to up to 4 channels of digital audio too. And your existing equipment connects in easily. So if you want to make programs where your imagination is the only limit, you need Thinking Pictures. Digital power production from Sony.